We're all packing the bikes up, getting the bugs off, getting ready to head out this morning. We're gonna be in the Badlands in about 2 hours. See you out there on the road. We're not taking any chances today with sunburns. Turns out my skull cap spandex, and I've been getting burnt to a crisp underneath it. My head is cherry apple red and currently on fire. So today we're wearing a hat. Guys, we just arrived at Fire Hinge. They opened 3 weeks ago, and let me tell you what, I'm pretty excited about this roadside attraction. Look at this place. This is insane. So cool. Guys, if you're ever in Kadoka, South Dakota, you're gonna have to stop at this brand new roadside attraction, Fire Hinge. This place is pretty freaking cool. It's a good stop to stretch your legs. You can ring the fire bell. I think you just heard it. And you can check out all these old fire trucks propped up in the air.
I'll try to get a couple.
Oh, come on. And don't get out of here before ringing this bell on fire truck number 2 for good luck. We'll catch you on the road, guys. If you're ever out in Badlands, South Dakota, don't forget to stop and feed the prairie dogs. If you're visiting the Badlands National Park, make sure to stop at the Ben Reifel Visitor Center. Inside, you'll find interactive museum exhibits that tell the story of the Badlands, from ancient oceans and prehistoric mammals to the Lakota people who call the region home. You can watch the park film, The Land of Stone and Light, talk with park rangers, or browse the bookstore, and even peek into the fossil preparation lab where paleontologists work on real fossils right in front of visitors. It's the perfect place to learn about the incredible history hidden within these rugged landscapes. During my visit to the Badlands National Park, I had the opportunity to interview a paleontologist and learn how her fascination with fossils led her to a career discovering the history hidden beneath the Badlands.
So I took my bike out to Sturgis one year, and I was talking to somebody in Deadwood about how cool the Old West and how much I loved history and old things. And they said, well, if you like old stuff, you should go down to Hot Springs, which is south of Rapid City, about 50 miles. they have a mammoth site. You guys should go there if you have time. He said you can go and take a tour of it, and they have mammoth bones there. So I went down there like, wow, this is so cool. And it's under a big building now. And we took the tour, and I mean, literally like the hairs were going up on my arms. I was like, well, I've got to do this. I've got to do this. This is wonderful. And so they took volunteers like 2 weeks every summer. You could volunteer and go there and dig without any experience. And so I started signing up, and after my 3rd season, the paleontologists that were in charge of the mammoth site dig said, you know, you're passionate, you're good at it, you should go to college. And I was like 28 years old at the time, and I'm like, oh, I'm too old for college, you know. And then next year they'd say, you should go, you should go. Finally, at the ripe old age of 31, I moved down from Wisconsin to Arizona and started college, and the rest is history. I've been working on fossils for 35 years.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
What a story.
Yeah. I keep thinking I should sell it to Harley Davidson as a commercial or something.
Yeah.
You know, Harley led my life to...
Where Harleys can take you.
Yes, where...
right.
There you go. Where Harleys can take you.
That is
Yeah.
so cool. Thanks
Yeah.
for telling us your story.
Yeah, you're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
Vegetarian. Me either.
The views from Badlands from the seat of my motorcycle are not disappointing. This place is absolutely beautiful. So my brother and Logan have been telling me for 4 years that the whiskey tips at the Badlands Saloon were the best they've ever had. I'm finally here, and you know I ordered the whiskey tips. We're gonna give them a shot. They weren't lying. Those are amazing. After trying the whiskey tips at the Badlands Saloon, don't forget to stop in at Badlands HD. Just arrived at our hotel here at Deadwood Gulch, outside the little town of Deadwood, South Dakota. I don't know if you can see those mountains behind me, but the ride in was absolutely stunning. Today we put down a little over 269 miles, about 4.5 hours in the seat. It was a nice short day, and we're here at our hotel. We're gonna get unpacked and we're gonna make this home for the next 6 days.